yung marketing po namin sa clinic.
Nice,
And then there,
tayo for
I
this.
use the jaw motion. So for the jaw motion, makita natin dyan anterior guidance, lateral intrusive and everything. And then lastly, the face scanning. So I scan the patient's face para sa plates.
I love
So para may i-parallel natin yan sa lahat ng plates ng patient
Ay, ka muna ate.
natin.
Nasaan model tayo?
Ay, nasaan tayo? Nasa Unilab.
Unilab Center.
Yan. Nasa
Yan.
May
Then after
seminar.
that, yung scanner namin kasi madaling mag-merge ng intraoral scan to face scan. So kapag nag-scan ako, pagpapatungin ko sila, sakto na. Tapos, in that intraoral scanner as well, pwede kong ipatong din yung exocad, isahan na lang. Pero you can do that with other scanners din. Kaya lang, medyo mas mahirap. So, ayun. So here, I'm creating the mock-ups and the gingivectomy guide yun. So, hindi ko pa lang siya nabubutas. So, and then here is the mock-ups already. It's 3D printed. So,